possess me and cause another exorcist. They wanna come together and forget the differences. They are invisible, not visible. Their visits are unpredictable. Believe me when I say it's only spiritual. When I'm unconscious, just from the get in, they got the key to my brain, like they were locksmiths. My conscience tells me don't talk to them at night. They say don't believe in Jesus Christ. I put on a fight, won't listen to the lies. They start stomping on the ground out of anger, tapping on my computer keyboard, twisting my ankles. They want me disabled. I can't even lie to them. They know if I'm not being faithful. They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself go. They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself go. They want my body and soul, God won't let me go. I'm tied to the bed, I can't move, oh no. They have complete control. Television suddenly turns on pornographic scenes, child memories. The devil turns my head to the computer screen. Pictures of dead human beings, bloody poetry, cold breeze running up my spine. I can't feel my legs, I'm paralyzed. My heart becomes dark, I hear dark barks. Suddenly the world stops, the devil clogging up my arteries. No blood flow, can't breathe, the nose, kibbles is swollen eyes, impossible to view clearly. And then a letter appears, written in fine handwriting. These demons camouflaging into angels. They're like, come with me. They throw up their sixes, I throw up my cross. What you got? They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself go. They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself go. I can't fall to sleep, waking up to this tiny steep. Visions of bad decisions, my life has been already written. I'm just living it according to what they're saying, but I'm not listening, repeat it over and over. There's something you are missing, my faith in God is strong. I see the fake and the realest individual situations that even see why we are placed in this world. Freemasons are demons, indeed, don't follow their lead. You will fall to the creeds I have now learned to ignore their calling. They no longer could control me, and the lies that I shall be in. Listen, these people are my witness. We don't need to go through all this. Fuck the president, yeah, I said it. Only true leader is the man upstairs. They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself go. They are trying to control my body, and so I simply will not let myself